Yo, what's up, you guys? We back at it with another unboxing video today. Today we're going to be going ahead and unboxing the Logitech computer's sound system. It's going to be the Z313. Let's go to get straight into the video today. I really hope this is going to be a real good thing. There's the box. Let's get it. Man, I heard this at Best Buy, and it sounded really good to me, honestly. I mean, like, it sounds real good, so I really hope it's going to be the same thing. It says it's a rich, balanced sound. Got 50 watts. Peak power. That's all I pretty much need for my thing. It comes right here. This comes with a 2 satellite speakers, a subwoofer, and of course, the important stuff, the user documentation. So let me go to open this box up for you guys today. Let's go to check these bad boys out. Let's see. Get that open right there. Let me put this down right quick. We get it open. Looks like it is really packaged up real, I would say real nice and everything. Look like this is a subwoofer. And they give us like our handles where we can just grab it and lift. Wow. All right. Go here. Alright, so here we go. I believe this right, yeah, this is our subwoofer right here. This right here, once again, is a Z313 from Logitech. Oh, look at that. I can tell this bad boy can bounce. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to some more stuff. Then, of course, we have our 2 satellite speakers. They do sound plastic, but at the same time, like I said, I heard these in the store, and I only heard these. I didn't hear the subwoofer, so we're going to hook these bad boys up. Let's get us some tunes playing. Let's get it. I'll be right back with you guys. So, to the back of the subwoofer, I guess I should be reading the most important thing in the package, the user document. So, what is my problem? I don't know. Let's go ahead and try it right quick. All right, guys, so another thing I forgot to mention is that this actually comes with a remote control, so you actually won't have to control it, you know, by touching. Let me hold it up right for you. You actually won't have to, you know, go to the speakers and turn it off. You can actually use this bad boy. So let's go ahead and do a quick sound test. I already did the sound test. Hey, I'm loving it now. I'm straight loving it. Let me get out the sound test right quick, and I'm gonna tell you how much I paid for this. For the subwoofer and 2 speakers. Whew. Let's go ahead and do this bad boy right quick. This is copyright-free music. Hey, we are, baby. I don't care. Hey. You hear the bass in that bud. Alright, you guys, and there you guys have it. That right there was a Logitech. Let me get the box for you. I'm very impressed with this. Like, dude. Alright, here goes the price, bro. I want you guys to drop some comments down right quick and tell me how much you think I spent on this sound system. $39.99. $39 freaking 99. These bad boys are playing better. They playing better than that soundboard that I was actually looking at. I'm not gonna fake it. This is legit. The Logitech Z313, 50 watts for your computer. If you're a gamer, I recommend this system so much. I recommend this. This is beast. I'm not gonna lie, this is straight beastie. I got this at this wasn't even on sale either for $40, pretty much $39.99 at Best Buy. The link will be down below because I need y'all to go out and go buy this Logitech system. This is beast. This is straight beastie. Like, I'm messing with y'all. So there you have it, man. I don't lie in these videos at all. If I unbox this tech and this tech is like straight legit, that's what I'm gonna tell you. It's legit. Like, this is legit. So let's go ahead. All right, you guys. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Like I said, we went ahead and reviewed the Logitech, the computer sound system. You can actually use it for your phone as well or anything. But I got this in the computer section. That's what I'm calling a computer sound system. 50 watts, the Z313, the Logitech system. $39.99. You pick it up at Best Buy right now. Get up your butt. Go get it. Before you do that though, make sure you do like, comment, subscribe to this channel because we will be doing some more unpacking, unboxing videos. There you go. After this video, we'll be releasing another video for the LG soundbar, the Slay, or the SL4Y. I want y'all to hear how good that system sounds too, but I'm telling y'all right now, this for $40 compared to $149, this it, y'all. So until next time, CJ Brand here, and we'll be back with some more content real soon. See you later.